How to list and sell digital products in Shopee. Hi guys, in this video we will learn how you'll be able to list and sell a digital product in your Shopee account. All you have to do is to log in into your Shopee account, and here you'll be able to see on the upper left corner of the screen, this is where you will be able to start selling in Shopee. Just click on the button Start Selling, and that will route you into your seller account. You can open this with your web browser, any web browser that you have. Just simply go to shopee.ph or shopee.com. And then here, since I have been inactive with my Seller Center account, I just need to reactivate this so that I'll be able to access my account. And here I have my Shopee Seller Center account opened. In order for us to proceed with adding a product, just go to the right side panel of the screen, and under Product, just click on Add Product, Add New Product, and that's where we will be adding a digital product later on. You can look into the My Products. You'll be able to see that I have also added a digital product previously here with Shopee. And in order for us to upload or list another product here, we just need to click on Add New Product, and we will be routed into this page wherein we just need to fill out the basic informations for adding the new product. So first is to add the image of your product. You have a maximum of 9 images that you can upload into your Shopee shop or Shopee seller account, and 9 images for setting up a new product. So once that is filled here, I already added a image. I just have one image for my product here. Next is we add the name of a product, and we need to set up the category. As you can see, it's under magazines or book or magazines. And then I just put others, since as you can see, ebooks is actually not allowed with selling here on Shopee. So once you're done there, make sure that you fill out all the details or the informations being asked with the red apostrophe, or what's you call that, red asterisk rather. And the next thing that we will do is to add the product description. Here, this is just a sample or a demo on how you'll be able to add a digital product in Shopee. So this product description that I have will just be an automated one, or it's just a sample digital product description that I will be putting it here later on. So I'm actually using ChatGPT here just for me to have the product description and for me to proceed with creating the new product and adding that into our Shopee account. So here, once we're done with the product description, the next that we will do is to add the specification of our product. Here we can set up no brand, since there's no brand for our product that we have. And next is we can proceed with the seller information, whether you can add a variation if there's a volume 1, volume 2 of that specific product, or any additions that you have. You can just, if you don't have any variation, you can just skip that and then just set up the price and the stock number as well. And then up next is that once that's filled out, you can go ahead and click on shipping information. You can input the weight of the product that you have. Since the product that I have, they only have 1 kilogram as the minimum. So let's just set it up at 1. I'm not able to put any decimals. And then we can set up as well the shipping information. So you need to set up the shipping options ahead before adding a new product, so that you will be able to save and publish the product without any issues. So here, pre-order, no, since we will be shipping the product in 2 business days, and then you can just have a condition as new, or if you have a pre-loved product, you can have it used. So here, when I click on the button Save and Publish on the lower right corner of the screen, I actually need to set up the shipping options, as I mentioned earlier. What I'll do here is that I just need to click or go back to the shipping option for the product, and this will actually redirect me to another page where I will be setting the product shipping option, what courier we'll be using, setting up the whether it could be COD or not. So since I only have a standard local shipping option here, I'll just need to toggle on this JNT Express as the courier for the product that we will be selling here at my TikTok or my Shopee seller account rather. So just here, so I'll just need to click on this button right on the right side of the JNT Express, and it will provide me to confirm. Make sure that you click on the confirm button, and then you can have the option to have the COD or the cash on delivery enabled or disabled. In my case, I'll just have it enabled here so that it would be more convenient with my buyers or the customers that we will have in the future. So once that's done, go back to your product information where we set the basic informations for a product. And what we can do here is to go ahead and proceed with the publishing the product listing that we are creating here. As you can see, I actually need to go back and fill out the details back to square one. So what I'll do here is add a new product, and then I will just go ahead and fill out all the details. And as you can see, I actually did save and publish the product already, and I'll just wait for that to show here on my products or the product listings that I have. Currently, it still shows the old product that I have here, which is also a digital product. And you can see here the sample digital product that I have is currently under review. It may take a while or a few business days for them to review the product that we have until it goes active. And there you have it. If you wish to edit the product or the digital product that you're selling, just click on the action, go to the actions and just click on the edit button, and you'll be redirected back into this page where you can edit the basic information of the product or set up the product details. As you can see, with the shipping fee, as we already set up the shipping option, which is standard and local, make sure that you toggle that on so that you'll be able to update or successfully publish the product that you'll be listing into your Shopee seller account. And that's basically it. That's how you will be able to list and sell a digital product into your Shopee account. And that's the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Bye!